Hey guys, today we are speed testing Nubia Z20 and BlackShark 2. Please subscribe to the channel. Nubia Z20 smartphone runs on Android v9.0 Pie operating system. The phone is powered by octa-core 2.96 GHz, single core. It runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset. It has 6 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage. And the BlackShark 2, it is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor with Adreno GPU 640 support. BlackShark 2 runs on Android Pie 9 operating system. The company has incorporated liquid cooling 3.0 technology to regulate the device's temperature. With the liquid-cooled plate and liquid-cooled tube, it can reduce the temperature by up to 14 degrees Celsius.